Welcome. Today in front of me MEIZU M5s, and I'll show you how to take screenshots without buttons on this device. So first, just go to the notification panel, and here you'll see the screenshot icon. Just to take a screenshot, here tap once on the icon and you'll take a screenshot from your home screen or the application where you want to just take a screenshot, and then you can find the screen in your gallery. Just tap here to the gallery, and here you'll see the screenshot folder. There you can find your screenshot, previously taken screenshot, or also you can find on the all folder, or in the folder with all another photos. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.